Good morning, you guys. Eda Travel Her is back with another trip, and this time we are starting in Watertown, good old International, New York, baby. We got to go through Philadelphia, and we are going to Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yeah. This is Bay's trip before he deploys. So yeah, we'll see y'all when we get there. So this is my first time in Philadelphia Airport. It's really nice, y'all. Like, lots of art.
Please face forward and be prepared to step off.
How cool is that? And we had to take a little bus shuttle to get across instead of a train. I think that was like so cool because I'm so used to getting in Atlanta on the train. Like, yeah. So we're about to find us some food, get onto our next flight, and
prepare to step off.
We made it, y'all. Hi. All right, cheers. Great time in Jamaica. After a long acquainted ride, you guys, we finally made it to our place. We're about to walk the town, exchange our money, get some food. We have arrived. All right, you guys, it is time for the Airbnb tour. Welcome to the Cecile Oasis. Nice cutesy vibe, y'all. It's giving Jamaica. Nice, delicate. I chose it for the decor, y'all. Okay, period. Full kitchen. Got to have that. This is what it's giving around the room. We have such a cute little balcony area. It's dark, y'all. It took us all day to get here. The beach is across the way. Nice little terrace area. Nice sit down area. Nice TV. Just look at the decor. Fancy. Okay, rainfall shower with soap, you know, extra towels. That's important. And here is the bedroom. Nice and cool. Jamaican. I'm loving it. Nice full body mirror. Got to have one of those. The decor in here is so cutesy. It's perfect for just us two. And yeah, y'all, we are here, and y'all stay tuned because y'all already know how I get down on the trips. Period, poop. All right, peace and blessings. Good morning. We are up early. I think it's about 8 o'clock right now, and we are about to go to breakfast and start our day, y'all. We are going to the Lost in Time Festival out in Kingston. Well, I love how the transition happened. That was actually pretty fire. But yeah, we're gonna go to Kingston to a festival, so we're gonna just chill out this morning. And this sun, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Oh, and this is the terrace, like outside our door. How beautiful is this? Yeah, picture's gonna be fire right here on this staircase. Greenery, yeah, tea. So this is breakfast, Reggae Alley Bar and Grill. Life is music, and we are sitting down about to eat. Yeah. All right, so our potatoes, dumplings, fried egg, bacon. He got a French toast plate, and this is the vibe. This is the terrace way to get to the beach. All right, we are headed back to the beach, y'all. This is the fit. All right, we about to get a cabana, and we out the door. Yeah, man. Walking down to the beach that's right in front of the hotel. Jerk chicken smells good. What's up, y'all? We got us a cabana in front of the water. It's a lot of seaweed right here, but you know, it's nice. Nice little breeze. We're waiting on our drink, and then we're gonna get in the water and just chill out. Woo, it's beautiful though. All right, y'all. are headed to Kingston to the Lost in Time Festival. I don't know who there was there, but we're gonna see when we get there. This is the fit. Yeah. Let's see the drip. Hold on, wait. Okay, yeah, check them out. All right. And I got on Jamaica colors, you know, don't even play with me. Peace and bless. Baby, that was such a rough ride, y'all, to Kingston. These roads out here are so freaking bad. I mean, but that's really anywhere you go out the country. When I tell y'all, traffic be horrible, roads be horrible. But we made it, and we finna get into this festival, and yeah. Red
So you know who's about to touch this yet? Who's about?
Them trying we are right there to the mountain. I don't put force and get there and take out them love one.
All right, you guys, we had a wonderful day. We are from Kingston. If you know anything about context, they was bothering me all day. I had to change some things, but you can't come to Jamaica without your KFC, man. So that's where we just came from. We have, you know, the barbecue, and hopefully it's good this time. You know, I haven't had it in a while, so we're gonna get the verdict on the barbecue. We got a 6-piece. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, hold on. Yeah, man. All right. Look one good. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. We're tired. Peace and blessings. Good morning. Happy Sunday, gang. Such a beautiful day. God, thank you so much. But we're about to head to breakfast again. And then today's adventure is bamboo rafting, which I've never done here in Jamaica yet. Can you believe that? But bamboo rafting, and then blue hole. And then we're going to see what we're going to get into a little bit. So, yeah, y'all stay tuned. It's going to be a great day. We are made it to the rafting place. Yeah, man. This is my first time. I'm so excited. Hopefully they can rub me down with the mud.
You're funny, man. You're funny.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. You guys, finally on the raft. It is so nice. And guess what? We are the only people here. All right, so we have all of this to ourselves. Nice and peaceful and quiet. Here is our driver. Yeah, we're ready. This is just too beautiful, y'all. Like, oh my god. I had to come get down here on the bamboo.
You did 4 tours to Jamaica, you just be in the bamboo.
I know, right? Yeah, it's just too beautiful out here.
What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. They get it,
Yeah, man, you just relax the next.
I know.
Yo, me know what? Just be right. No matter how much you want to walk, you know.
Hey. My feet are ticklish. Yeah. Well, you could skip the feet. Yeah. We made it to the blue hole. right? Oh yeah, this water is already cold. We in the jungle. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Yeah, the time of my life, you know. Now we have to get my drink. Oh, that was so fun. So fun. Good morning, gang. Happy Monday. You know, we put old. When no go out yet, man, we sleep them. If you don't know what I said, I have to practice my patois because I'm in Jamaica, you know. And if you don't know, I have Jamaican anyway, so yeah. Anyways, but yeah, we're drinking my rum punch early in the morning. This is our last day. We're about to head to Mystic Mountain. I've never been there either. So yeah, we're gonna have fun today, and we're just chilling. I have to wear my Bob Marley, you know, get into the vibes. And yeah, cheers. Boop, 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 boop. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, y'all guys, we made it. This place is like a theme park. You have a lot of things to do here, so we'll get into it. All right, you guys, we're on our way up the mountain. This is the starting point, but look at the spider. You guys, ooh. We're gonna get on the lift. It's our turn. Oh, this is so pretty. Ah. Whoops. How beautiful is this? Oh, I have to show y'all the other way. Hold on. Alrighty, our first ride up is gonna be the bobsled. They give you some historical facts about Jamaican Golden Olympics and all the winners from back then up until now. So yeah, we're about to get on it. I'm so excited. My friends, oh my gosh, what's crazy, y'all? Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. OMG, what the frick? Yo, this is wild. So the Mystic Mountain, them have a infinity pool overlooking this. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. And then we're about to ride this roller coaster. Yeah, this is so fun. It's not major, it's just to take in the view. Alright, up next is zip line. We are now off to the zip line. All right, you guys, we're back on the ride. That was so fun. I like this place, you guys. So we're gonna go back and do everything again. You'll have unlimited access. And then we're gonna get in the pool and get some food and drink and just hang out here. How you like it, babe?
Oh man, that was exhilarating, bro. Like the line was way longer than the one we did in Cancun.
Oh yeah,
and
yeah.
the view was 10 times better.
Yeah. Am I upside down? Ah, pluck it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll catch y'all later. All right, friends, we came out a little bit. We at this place called 1212 Lounge. We're the only people here because we're old. It's a Monday night, and hey, we're just here enjoying ourselves. We just ordered a drink and some food. Pull up on me. Yeah, anyway, vibing. All right, good people. Good things must come to an end, of course. This trip was too quick, though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm like, where did the time go? Where did the days go? But we already back at the airport. Jesus. But make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully y'all like the video. Make sure you come to Jamaica. I'm gonna catch y'all the next one. Peace and blessings.